I pity selfless sailors, plying 7 stormy seas, tankers tossed like toys, Neptune hard to please. Prows plough salt water, climbing walls of waves, hard rain and tempest terror, mariners so brave. God bless all the captains, scanning banks of screens, confidence required when vessels list and lean, engines down, boats battered, navigation upset, circling birds are omens, whales place canny bets. Siren-sounding lifeboats, saviours sail at speed, heroes in high-tech helmets race to ships in need. Radars, ropes and rafts required such rescue kit. Valiant volunteers to wind and waves submit. Driven by a vision, stranded crewmen saved. Medals are awarded for selfless service brave. Died in active duty, 600 lives enshrined. Mercy was their mission for maritime mankind.